make a secret board on Pinterest? Well, sometimes there are reasons that we want boards to be secret. Maybe it's a personal interest you have, or you're researching your competitors. Those are just a couple of the reasons. So how do you do that? So here on your Pinterest profile, you're going to go down to the tab that says boards, and there will be a plus sign right there. So click plus, and from here you can name your board. So I'm just going to name mine test, and then toggle the switch to make it secret, and that's it. Now here you can edit the board, etc. You don't need to worry about keyword optimization because this board is secret and nobody else can see it. Now what if you have an existing board that you want to make secret? So let's say that I had my Pinterest strategy board and I wanted to go ahead and make it secret. I would just toggle this switch to make it secret. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time we have a new video. From this screen, you can click on the playlist to continue watching the videos in this Pinterest Explained series with me, Jennifer Priest, here at Smart Creative Social.